one slice left. For me? Sure. Okay. Oh, the devil! I want to know. Yeah. Hot. Isn't it hot? Oh, water. Just go for a little dip.
There. Come on, son.
Huh? Make a party? Oh, what's that all? There we go.
And here we see the bees making their way back from the fields towards the farm. And with the wonderful foodstuffs taken back to the hive to give to the queen. You may ask them. Well, the reason's really...
Oh, dash.
Like all big queens, she...
God. Oh, get off. There it is. Look at that. I know.
Hey, what? Right.
Gather round. Chocks away. Now, who would like these? You, sir? How about you, madam? There we go. Very fast. And for you, sir.
One, please.
No.
Yes, right. Let's give her the try with the right money.
Yes, please.
Oh, the... No! Oh, I'm here! Oh, I'm here!
Right. This bit goes. This isn't right. Something. Ah. Oh, that's a propeller. Must be somewhere.
Where did you decide to put Tiddles this time, Mayor?
Hey? Oh. Silly me. Oh.
Get out!
Oh, damn it, I was just... Oh, how...
Well?
Wait. Oh, can I take a...
Me? Me? Oh.
Yes, you. Oh, no. Just right it on him.
Take this out.
Right a more. Just get him right a more. Just to the right a bit more.
Further back, right?
Stop. Stop there. Excellent. Thank you.
Bye. What a nice guy.
What was that? Search me.
Yes.
Come back here! Oh, I'll tell you now!
Teddy.
Naughty. Come on, son.
Teddy! Oh, no! Teddy! Come on, Teddy. Where are you? Teddy! Oh, no! Come on! Come on! Outside! Oh, my! Oh, no! Oh, Teddy! ready!